Hi there, this is a demonstration of Virginia Tech Foresight, your worksite safety application. I'm going to go ahead and select our Foresight Pro icon. And this is our start page. I'm going to go ahead and select Start. This is our login page. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and log in. This is our home page with the hazard classification wheel. I'm now going to demonstrate a main component of our app, which is hazard recognition through taking photos. We already took a photo here, so I can click on it and zoom in just to double check to make sure that that's what I wanted. And now I'm going to click Recognize to categorize this hazard. Now here we have all of our hazard classification categories, but just in case you don't know what one is or you need more clarification, you can press Info, which is the middle bottom left tab. This page will give you all the information and examples for all of our energy sources. Since I have the information that I need, I'm going to go ahead and click Back. So now I'm going to select Electrical Hazard, and I can go ahead and give it whichever severity level that I deem appropriate for the situation. I'm going to click Low, and then Save. Now that I'm satisfied with my selections, I'm going to press Back. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to make sure I'm going to select all of our hazards. All right, now that I have all of my hazards selected, I'm going to click Next. Or if I made a mistake and I wanted to redo my selections, I could click the tab on the very bottom left that says Clear. But now I'm going to click Next. We have two options here to relay this information back to your project manager. One of those is email, which I'll show really quickly. And this is the basic email layout. This is exactly what it'll look like. The image will load and it'll give all the information that you put forth in the app about a minute ago. But since I don't want to send an email, I'm going to press Back. And I'm going to use the function that we highly recommend for the ease of use for project managers, which is Send to Database. I can give this a title if I'd like. I'm just going to double check that this is what I wanted to do. I'm going to click on the picture, make sure that's the picture that I wanted. And now that I'm ready to send it, I'm going to hit Submit. And now I know that my report has sent. So now we are going to demonstrate the database function of Foresight. I'm going to press Database down at the bottom right. Since I am a project manager, I'm going to select View as Safety/Project Manager. And for the privacy and ease of use, for project managers, they have a separate account and security code. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. For privacy purposes, each project manager has their own verification code, which I'll type in now for ours. And then I'm going to select Get Previous Report. And here you can see all of our previous reports, with the topmost one being the one I just submitted. I can scroll down and see the previous reports. I can tap the photo and make it bigger, so I can double check and see what the hazard was. And then if I want to view the details of the hazard, I can press the Details button, and there are all of the things that I typed in about a minute previous. Similarly, I can tap Details for any previous reports. However, if I want to view the previous reports as a regular user and not a project manager, so the only reports that I will be able to see as an individual worker are going to be the ones that I submitted myself, whereas project managers will see all of the reports submitted by all of the employees. The functionality is the same. I can press a picture and open it if I'd like to look at it in a bigger scale, or I can press Details. Now we'll review our forecast function. I'll press the tab at the bottom left of the screen, Forecast. So this is an area where you can view your worksite safety forecast from your company's safety forecast channel. For our purposes, we are going to be viewing our own WordPress site for Virginia Tech Foresight. You would put your company's web address in there and hit confirm. So for our purposes, this is everything that we've posted to our WordPress in the development of the app. Otherwise, this would be a company's own safety page, safety forecast, news about the site. For example, you can see on WordPress that I just made our demonstration post today, Hello World. And now it appears in our forecast page. I can click back if I'd like to get to any other function. And that'll wrap up our demonstration of our Foresight app. Thank you so much for viewing it. I'm going to go ahead and log out and get back to our start page. A great function of this is that if you don't log out, you don't have to keep logging back in. If you are logged in, you'll stay logged in until you log out. Thank you so much for watching our video. We appreciate your time.